Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Math Magic, the only solution for all mathematical problems. So today I came with a new trick, that is a square trick starting from 101 to 109. I will show you the trick through which you can easily find out these squares which I have written on the board, these squares within a second. So let's start the session, and the thing is that the session is going to be very interesting today. So do not skip the video, watch till the end. So let's start. Now for this, just see, if you want to find out the squares of a number starting from 101 to 109, what you should do first, write down the number. For example 101, write 101 plus 1, so it will be 102. Now 01, double of 01 is 01 only. So 10201. This is the square of 101. Now 102. 102 plus 2 is how much? 104. So double of 4 is 08. So 10408. Now let's see this one. 103 plus 3 is equal to 106. Double of 3 is 9. 09. So 10609. Now come to this one, 104. Nothing is there. Just write down the number. सिर्फ इसको लिखना है. 104 plus 4. Then it will be 108. Now square of this number. 4 4s are 16. 10816. Now this one, 105. 105 is what? What is the trick? 105 plus 5. So it is 110. Okay. And double of 5, square of 5 is 25. So this is the answer. Now square root of 106. 106 plus 6. Just write down the number and add 6. So it will be 112. Double of 6 is 36. So this is the answer. Now 107 plus 7 is how much? 11477 are 49. This is the answer. So what is the trick? The trick is just write down the number and add the last digit and then double this one. That is the square. You have to write the square. After adding, you have to write the square of the last digit. This is the trick. So these two are your homework. Kindly answer me in the comment box. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel Math Magic for more such videos. And thanks for watching my video. And I also like to thank to those who are commenting in my videos. So and one of the most interesting comment which I get in my last video, is that the one. It is for you only. You said that, ma'am, you cannot explain in Hindi. Yes, I can also explain in Hindi. If you want me to explain in Hindi, I will explain in Hindi. So thank you for commenting in my videos. Thanks a lot. And thanks for the support you shows to me. Thank you. Thanks a lot.